you've been in the AI annotation field for some time or you followed my channel, then you should be impressed by how quick I bring opportunities to you guys. Now, there are many things that help me to get these opportunities very quick. And in AI annotation, time is of the essence because these companies usually work on a first come, first served basis. This is why whenever these positions come out, I urge you guys to apply very quickly. In this video, I'm going to tell you exactly how I get these positions so quick. So you don't have to wait for me to post them. You can get these positions yourself by following the steps I follow to get these positions immediately these companies releases them. The first and the most important website that helps me a lot. It gives me news about the AI companies, gives me news about when the companies get a big funding. So I already anticipate that these companies are going to get some specific kind of gigs in the few coming weeks or months. So I'm already checking in. That website that helps me with this information is no other website than LinkedIn. And I've stressed LinkedIn a lot on this YouTube channel. When you log into your LinkedIn profile, especially if you've not done these things before, the first thing I want you to do is to go to your job section. Now, when you go to your job section, you want to look for this place that says preferences because we want to set our LinkedIn in a way that immediately these gigs come out, they are going to notify us. So you want to go ahead and click on preferences and you want to look for this place that says job alerts. Now, algorithm, the way the algorithm works, it knows what you want and what you are interested in. So these are the kind of jobs that LinkedIn will keep suggesting to you. So go ahead and click on job alerts and you can copy this my exact alert I have set here. So you can see I have AI agent, remote job, jobs in worldwide, evaluator, English specialist, AI training project, writer, freelance editor. Just go ahead and fill this in your own job alerts if you're interested in getting this AI gigs. So immediately a company uploads a job that actually clicks with this, then you get notified. Another thing you can do on this same LinkedIn that helps a lot to get a lot of gigs, especially the forms, because some forms are not posted as jobs, so you may not see them in your job listing section. Now, what you need to do is to just come down. Like I can see some AI jobs here, some of them I've reviewed, I'm not fit for them or I'm not interested in them. Now, what you need to do is to come to this search section, click on it, and just search. You can see searches I've already done in the past couple days. So you want to go ahead and search for something like AI training projects, and make sure you change this place because it's going to search for jobs, and we are targeting things that were not posted as jobs. I've already viewed this. I've viewed practically everything here. So what you need to do is to now come to this place that says um, jobs, click on it and change this to posts. So when you change this to posts, you're going to see jobs that were not posted as jobs, but they were made as posts. So you can see a lot of this. You just go ahead and read through this. Now, since I do search on this on a daily basis, most times I'll just click on date posted and I'll put it in 24 hours. That's if I've checked throughout yesterday and I've already seen the jobs that were posted yesterday. So I'll just go ahead and set this in 24 hours. This will allow me to see the AI training projects posts that were made within 24 hours. So I know it will not show since I'm making this video on a weekend. So I know no good positions will show up. So you can see maybe helpful post. You can read this post, understand the industry. Sometimes you can stumble upon a form, you can stumble upon a job by just doing this simple thing. So another thing you can do is to change these keywords. I could just put AI annotation remote and I go ahead and search for this, and I'll still search under posts. Now you can see I'm already seeing some kind of jobs here, and I can go ahead and click on it, read more, and I will vet it if it's a good position and I want to apply. So you can see these. Now this is 2 weeks ago, so I can also do the same thing here by just putting maybe past week and show results for just past week. And with this, I can see relevant positions that are open or posts that I just need to read about. So this is how I use LinkedIn. This is how I utilize LinkedIn for my job search for these AI companies. The second way I love to search for these AI annotation jobs is the simplest way known by mankind to use the internet. is simply by going to Google and just searching a keyword like AI training jobs. So when I do this, I will just go to the job section of Google and I'm going to see a lot of Google jobs that are posted there. So if I go to my computer now, and I just search for AI training jobs, I can just click on this and you'll see the section that says job. I just go ahead and click on job. And already I can see some jobs here. I can see the dates that the jobs were posted, and I will know if it is something. This was posted 14 hours ago, but it's an Italian voice actor. So you can see a lot of AI jobs here. I can just click on each of them and I go through them. Sometimes I make videos when I go through them and I see that, oh, these ones are very good positions that I would love to share for you guys to apply for. Now, this is the second way. It is the simplest way, and this one really works so effectively. Trust me, this works more effectively than you can believe. Sometimes you just stumble upon a job, a very good AI opportunity that opens in just 1 hour, and you are one of the first to apply. And most of these jobs, like I said, first come, first serve basis. You can also try this for yourself regularly and see if you stumble upon something worth applying for. The third way I do is to use websites like FlexJob has a paywall. If not, FlexJob is very good if you can afford FlexJob. But you can use websites like Greenhouse that lists different jobs that you can apply for. You can use websites like there's AI Job also. It's a website where you see a lot of AI jobs. Now, the last thing I like to do that is it works more often than you will believe is going to these websites directly. So I know a lot of these websites like Scale AI, Mindrift, Toluca, you know them, data annotation.tech. I know these websites already. So what I do from time to time is that I just go to these websites, I go to their career section and I keep checking. I keep checking almost on daily basis. I go through this website and when I see a new vacancy that I know is worth applying for, then I do a video on it. Read about things on LinkedIn, on news. I follow job news, I follow tech news. So I know now that current trend in AI training is on prompt engineering, where these 9 major research labs now need experts to help for their retraining and human feedbacks for these models. So I understand that in the coming months, vacancies in domain expertise, especially in STEM, is going to grow very big. So I already know that these are positions that are coming up in the next few months. So all I need to do is to check this website frequently. And when they list these positions, I just do a video about it. So these are the ways I look for my jobs and why I am very, very quick with bringing you these updates. Trust me, I go through this website on a daily basis. I check LinkedIn, I go through Google search, I go through the websites themselves individually to scout for these positions for you. So the only way you can appreciate my work is by liking the video, subscribing, and commenting. This is how you can appreciate this channel. So thanks a lot, guys, for watching.